Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu token holder? What's going on, my friend? Today video is very important for all holder because my brother, and it's just in only for especially for US and UK etc. my friend, in out of countries holders. This is very important for all of you now. All right, my brother. So we will talk about the Robinhood, my friend. Shiba Inu token already requested now, my friends, to Robinhood to please list on Shiba Inu token. So I think, my friend, we will need to just and only you can see here 5 lakh, my friend. You can see here is needed 5 lakh members. You can see, my friends, to just and only register now, and after that 100%, my friends, Shiba Inu token will list it on Robinhood, my friend. First of all, in this Shiba Inu token holders, Robinhood is just and only, my friends, working on US and UK, I think, and my friend, otherwise in all other countries this is not working. So therefore, my friend, absolutely this is everybody, a lot of holder, my friend, in US UK people are trading now, my friend, and Robinhood, this is one of the best platform and best, my friend. You can see here, especially like a trust wallet etc. So therefore, you can see, my friend, we will need now to register now, just in only here you can see here 5,000, sorry, 5 lakh, you can see, my friends, needed now, and 5 lakh is target, and here, as you can see, my friend, 3 lakh 88,246, you can see here, my friends, people are already registered now, sign in. And my friend, how we can register, you can see here. So this is live, you can see here 246, absolutely they will increasing now. So here, as you can see, my friend, we will also need to sign in. I will also give you, my friends, this Robinhood signing, my friend, website link on my description. Definitely you will just and only check it out, and absolutely you will also need now to register. So here, as you can see here, sign in this question, you can see here, my friend. So if we click out here, so just and only type here now, you can see here, complete the signature, first name, last name, and email. Just and only we will need now to enter this, and after that, my friends, we will easily register now. So here, as you can see, my friend, I am going to fill this now. All right, so first of all, type your name, and after that, email. So I am just in only enter the email, as you can see here, and sign in this portion. All right, so if we click out on this, as you can see, my friend, this is very easy process now. So you will just and only do this 100%, and when we complete, my friend, I think it's needed just in only 1 lakh and 20,000, sorry, 12 1 lakh and 12,000 people to sign in, and after that, I am 100% sure, my friends, so they will easily listed now on Robinhood. So kindly holders, you will also do something like that, which I show you. And my friends, I will share the link of Robinhood in my description, just and only check it out and register now, just and only. This is very simple method to do this. I hope, my friends, just and only we will complete 5 lakh sign in, and after that 100%, my friend, this is listed now in Robinhood. So we can easily, my friend, and I'm going to tell you something about Robinhood. To Robinhood cannot, this is best option, my friends, because Robinhood cannot charges extra, my friend. They cannot charges extra. You can see here 2 step is completed, 1 step is completed, and we will need to complete the second step. Can you cheap and RS 5020 to get this portion on this any agenda? You can see, my friend, this is some question, but don't worry, this is not a very important. You can see here, if you want to Robinhood will list your name on the all, my friend, you can see here. So absolutely you just click on out yes, or otherwise if you not, so absolutely you just don't click on the yes. So alright, my friend, yes, I will cheap an RS 520 to distribute this portion. No, I will share instead. So we will also, my friends, to going to and share this now. If you want to share this, absolutely this is, they cannot charging you, so therefore pay with credit. You can see here, this is also available now. So no, I will share instead, you can see here. So we will also click on this. All right, guys, so here, as you can see, my friend, 2 step is completed, and the third step is also very important. As you can see here, you will need now, my friends, to share this now. You can see here, create choice sharing lead to way more signatures. Great choices, my friend, absolutely. So you can see here 2033 new signatures was added to this portion, thanks to the people who shared it, join the. So we will also, my friend, you can see share on Facebook, share on WhatsApp, and Gmail, etc. But we will just only copy the link. So I copy it, and my friend, I will share this now in my description, just only you check it out, and after that, my friend, registered 100%, my friend. This will the Shiba Inu token were listed on Robinhood. So thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like this video and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope, my friend, if you just only subscribe this channel, I hope, my friends, you will earn a lot of money from crypto. So kindly don't miss this video and just check out, my friends, the description of, and I will, my friends, absolutely possible, the link is available now in comment box. All right, so here, as you can see, my friend, 10 portions that are building momentum and change are you right now. So here you can see, my friend, just in only one click now. So you can see your kindly request of Coinbase to list Shiba Inu token. You can, my friend, here is a lot of more. You can see your requested from Shiba Inu token. You can see here to Coinbase. Absolutely, this is one of the best website now. So absolutely, if they will just and only, I think we will also need to, if you want to register here, absolutely, definitely, I will make another video about this, my friend. But if you want to register here also now, so automatically just and only click on here. But I will make another video about this, my friend. So just you will need, my friends, to watch his now. Thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like video and subscribe this channel, please, for more videos.